Hello my dear children. So today we are going to discuss another set of experiments. So first experiment that we are going to discuss today is galvanometer. That is your experiment number 6 in your lab manual. Galvanometer. And you should write the title of the experiment like this: galvanometer, half deflection. Okay, that should be the title of your experiment in your fair record. Then first you need to write the aim: to determine the resistance of galvanometer by half deflection method and to find its figure of merit. Then write apparatus, write the theory, then write the procedure. So this diagram, this is the circuit diagram, and this circuit diagram should be drawn on the left side of your fair record. Then you need to write all the points in the procedure part. Okay, all the points are required here. And also for figure of merit we are following a different procedure, so that procedure also should be included in your procedure part. Okay, you need to write all the points. Then observation table. So the same observation table you can copy into your fair record, and this observation table should be drawn on the left side of your record. So the same pattern you can follow, no need to modify this table. Okay, then after that you must write the result, and below the result you must write the precautions. So in the precautions part you need to include only 2 points each, that is enough. Okay, then in sources of error part you need to write only 2 points. Okay, so everything should be written on the right side: aim, apparatus, theory, procedure. After procedure you must write result, precautions, sources of error. Everything should be written on the right side of the record. And on the left side of the record, first you must draw the circuit diagram. This circuit diagram, both the circuit diagrams you need to draw. First you need to draw this circuit diagram, and second you need to draw this circuit diagram in your fair record, and that should be drawn on the left side. And on the next page, on the left side itself, you must draw these two tabular column. Okay, so that's all about the galvanometer experiment. And actually you need to do 2 experiments based on galvanometer. So this is the first experiment that you want to do, and this experiment should be written in your fair record. Okay children, and also the procedure is very well explained in the YouTube link that I have uploaded along with this video lesson. So just go through this YouTube link. Next we can discuss the second galvanometer experiment. Also before that, one more thing I want to remind you. See, calculations will be there. So the calculation part also should be written on the left side. Okay, left side of your fair record. And no need to draw this graph. This is not required. So you can omit this part. Okay, no need to draw this graph and the calculations based on that graph. Sorry, not this part, this part. So from here to this part you can omit. No need to write the last part in the calculations. Okay, you can omit this part. So that's all about the first galvanometer experiment. Let's discuss the second galvanometer experiment. Children, so this is the second galvanometer experiment that you need to do, and that is your experiment number 7B in your lab manual. And the title of the experiment should be galvanometer conversion to voltmeter. You had already studied the theory behind this, how to convert a galvanometer to voltmeter. So that experiment we are going to do here. And first you need to write the aim, then apparatus, theory, then after theory write the procedure. All the points should be included in the procedure part. Then after that you need to write the result. Okay, result is included here. result, and after the result, below the result, you must write the precautions and sources of error. So in precautions and sources of error, you need to include only 2 points each from precautions and sources of error. Okay, so these things should be written on the right side of the record, and on the left side, first you need to draw the circuit diagram. This diagram as well as this diagram should be drawn on the left side of your fair record, and also after that you need to draw this observation table. The same table you can copy into your fair record, no need to modify this table. And below the table, just include the calculations based on this experiment. And procedure is very well explained in the YouTube link that I have uploaded along with this video lesson. So please do watch that YouTube link. It's very important. From the YouTube link, you will get an idea of how to perform this 2 experiments. Okay, so that's all about the experiments. So we have completed 4 experiments from part A or section A. There are 2 sections and you need to do 4 experiments from section A and 4 experiments from section B. So we had already completed 4 experiments from section A. 4 more experiments are there that we can discuss in the next video lesson. Okay.